The summer course students have just arrived here to Flekke. They are the 24th generation to come to UWC Red Cross Norway. Great to see the excitement in their eyes. Now, after so many years, obviously there'll be wear and tear on the facilities that we have here. And our maintenance department, they're doing a great job. So they've never had a more thorough plan than they have now. And now has come the time for some of the big operations to be taken. So the bathrooms is one example. This is very costly, but it's also necessary to take it now. And we've been fortunate that the Education Ministry, they've said that they will help us to undertake this operation. But beyond this, we need more help to do this. If you're an alumnus, you will know the importance of the quality of the facilities that you're living in for your daily life. So we are ready to do the work, but we need your help to carry out the maintenance program so that we can have great facilities for the incoming students here in Flekke. Thank you very much.